Hello my dear friends, I welcome you all to my online English channel. Today I have come up with a new topic of English grammar. Today we are going to study the different types of verbs. They are transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So let us start studying with me. So my dear friends, do you know what is the definition of a transitive verb? Actually transitive verbs are those verbs which have objects. Or in other words we can say that verbs that have objects are called transitive verbs. So I will write the definition on the board. Verbs that have objects are called transitive verbs. So we will study a few examples with the help of the board. So see here, example number first. My brother reads a book. My brother reads a book. Now please have a look at this particular sentence. My brother is the subject here. Okay, is the subject here. Reads is the verb. Okay, and a book is the object. तो ये जो वर्ब है रीड्स, इस सेंटेंस में देखो ऑब्जेक्ट है. तो जिस सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट है उस वर्ब को हम क्या कहते हैं? ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. ओके, एंड हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट द ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम द गिवन सेंटेंस? बाय आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन विथ व्हाट डज माय ब्रदर रीड? व्हाट डज माय ब्रदर रीड? द आंसर इज अ बुक, सो दैट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. वेरी सिंपल ट्रिक इट इज. यू कैन फाइंड आउट द ऑब्जेक्ट from the given sentence by asking the question with what. So my dear friends, this kind of verb is known as a transitive verb, क्योंकि इस सेंटेंस में क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट है. अगर सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट है तो उस वर्ब को हम क्या कहते हैं? ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब कहते हैं. नाउ लेट अस स्टडी अ फ्यू मोर एग्जांपल्स. I write with a pen. I write with a pen. See here, a pen is the object here. Okay, it is the object here, and write is the verb. So this kind of verb is known as a transitive verb. Why? Because object is present in the sentence. Now see here, some of the sentences have more than one verb. Some of the sentences have a direct object and indirect object also. So we will see or study one such example. My friend gave me a pen. So look here my dear friends, a pen is the direct object. Okay, क्योंकि अगर हम what से क्वेश्चन करते हैं तो हमें डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट मिलता है. अगर whom से क्वेश्चन करते हैं, WH पोयम, अगर हम whom से क्वेश्चन करते हैं तो हमें इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट मिलता है. इस सेंटेंस में मी इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है और अ पेन क्या है? डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है. सो गिव इज द वर्ब एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्ब इज नोन एज ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. सो आई होप दैट यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड क्लियरली transitive verb. So what is meant by transitive verb? Actually transitive verbs are those verbs which have objects with them. Or in other words we can say that verbs that have objects are called transitive verbs. मतलब एखादे सेंटेंस में अगर ऑब्जेक्ट प्रेजेंट है तो हम बोलते हैं कि उस सेंटेंस में का जो वर्ब है उसको हम ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स बोलते हैं. नाउ माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वी विल सी व्हाट इज मीन बाय इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. सो आई विल राइट द डेफिनेशन ऑन द बोर्ड. वर्ब्स. So let us see what is meant by intransitive verbs. Verbs that do not have objects are called intransitive verbs. Verbs that do not have objects are called intransitive verbs. Now we will make it clear with the help of a few examples. See here, example. I will write on the board. She danced well. So in this particular sentence, my dear friends, there is no object. There is no object present in this particular sentence. Because see, this is the subject, this is the verb, okay, and this is the adverb. So this sentence does not contain an object. So that's why this kind of verb is known as an intransitive verb. I have written the definition also यहाँ पे. मतलब अगर एखादे सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है तो उस सेंटेंस में जो वर्ब है उसको हम इंट्रांसिटिव वर्ब कहते हैं. यहाँ पे देखिए डांस्ड जो है, दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ एन इंट्रांसिटिव वर्ब बिकॉज दिस सेंटेंस डज नॉट हैव एनी ऑब्जेक्ट इन इट. I will write one more example here on the board. She studied the whole day. She studied the whole day. She studied the whole day. In this particular sentence also, this is the verb. Okay, studied is the verb, but after that we can say there is not any object present in this particular sentence. So we can say a sentence which does not contain an object. So in that sentence, whichever verb is there, that verb is known as the intransitive verb. Or in other words, we can say that what is the definition of an intransitive verb? Verbs that do not have objects are called intransitive verb. In the first sentence, danced is the example of an intransitive verb. In the second sentence also, studied is the example of an intransitive verb. Why? Because both the sentences do not contain the objects. So I hope that you must have understood the topic very well. The topic transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. I hope that you must have enjoyed studying the topic. Please subscribe my channel for watching more videos like this. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.